I just wanted to show how fantastic Lorelai's recipe comes out for her Italian meringue buttercream from her book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelie, or by Lorelie. It's off on Amazon. You can buy it. And I did that, and I'm very happy. And she has some great YouTube videos also that are very helpful, and she has a lot of recipes and resources, and everyone is staying safe out there and is healthy and is staying sane and happy in these times. I know it can be difficult. That's why I give myself these little projects to do, just so I can feel some accomplishment, even if I'm not like leaving the house and staying in. Even though Chrissy is a great accomplishment, getting her to where she's done a lot of hard work. That's all I'll say. And with that, I'll say my heart goes out to everyone, and I just wish that you're all doing well. Bye.